So the hello world is the active project for debug, and we can view the main.c file if we double click on the Project Explorer window. So when we go back to the Code Composer Studio, this is the active project, and we can find here the main.c. We can double click on that. This is the Project Explorer, and then we have our main file. So we're going through the main.c file with more detail, but basically we have some includes here. So there's a header file with information of the board. We have a header file for a PLL, for the audio codec. Here we're defining variables to use as left input, right input, outputs, and mono. We define the sampling rate. Here is the main function, so we initialize the board, initialize the PLL, initialize the codec, the audio codec, and then we will simply loop through the samples, and then we'll convert left input to mono signal, and then we're assigning the left input to the left output, right input to the right output, and we're writing in the audio codec, and when we finish we disable put codec into reset, and the program is terminated. So basically this is what we're doing for our hello world. We're playing the left and the right inputs to the left and the right output, but we are converting to a mono input.